Allow yourself to relax your shoulders, your knees and your lower back. I feel so good when I do these movements because it allows myself to relax and let go all tensions and worries from the body. Allow myself to circulate the energy. You press the lower abdomen a little bit and move with the clockwise direction. Okay? Release tension, let go all anxieties, okay, from your body. So let us do the short warming up. Swing the body to the left and to the right. Gently move your knees a little bit, loose your knees a little bit. Breathe in. Allow yourself to relax your shoulders, your knees and your lower back. In. From the left and stretch your left hand, look in the back, breathe in, release it, breathe out, in, out, inhale, exhale. That's so wonderful. Open your palms, breathe in deep. Breathe out, slow. Bring your mind back to the body in the present moment and feel your 2 feet on the ground. 2 palms in front of your lower abdomen, and that is where you focus your attention at your lower dantian, lower abdomen. Feel grounded, relaxed, and connect to the earth. And you offer a gentle smile to yourself, to your body. So the next one, we call the squats and draw the circle, okay? 2 legs open wider than your shoulders, okay? Your 2 hands from your lower abdomen, from here. Breathe in, you can move towards your chest, to the body, towards your face. And then reach up the sky. And then you open your palms, stretch this way, and then you breathe out, let it go, draw the circle with your 2 arms, okay? You squat your body down, lower down with your knees in this way, okay? You can do as far as you can, okay? Don't force yourself. Breathe in, up, out, opens. So you allow yourself to draw the circle with your hands, in. Circulate the energy, you feel your energies go up your chest and let it go. Breathe out, let it go. Relax your lower abdomen, your legs. In. Out. Feel your legs. In. Feel your palms. Out. In. Out. I feel so good when I do these movements because it allows myself to relax and let go all tensions and worries from the body. Allow myself to circulate the energy, to be calm and be grounded. In, out. So your breathing leads the movement, okay? When you breathe slow and then your movement slower. In deep. Out, slow. In. One more time. In. That's wonderful. Inhale. Exhale. Allow myself to relax, release tensions from my shoulders, my back, my chest. Okay, so you can do short massage movement. One palm, left palm on your lower abdomen, another palm outside. And then you can massage your lower abdomen. You press your lower abdomen a little bit and move with the clockwise direction. Okay. Feel your belly. Improve your digestive system when you do this one. Circulate the blood for your stomach. Breathe in, out. Massage your lower back and whole body. And go down your two legs. Go to front. Go down. So you can do 3 rounds like that. That's wonderful. Breathe in. Raise the hands up. Release tension. Let go all anxieties, okay, from your body. In. In. Breathe in. Deep. Out. Slow. Bring your mind back to the body again.